In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Agoda in a step-by-step guide. If you've ever found yourself needing to update your payment details before booking that dream vacation, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Agoda website. You might already be familiar with Agoda. It's a popular online travel agency offering access to millions of hotels worldwide. By navigating to their official site, you ensure that you have access to all the features and functionalities that can make your hotel booking experience seamless and convenient. Once you're on the Agoda homepage, look for the Sign In option. In this example, we're using the Sign In with Google feature, which provides a straightforward and swift login experience if you have a Google account. Simply click on the Sign In with Google link. You'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. After logging in, you will have full access to your Agoda account, where you can manage your bookings and payment methods. After successfully logging in, make your way back to the Agoda homepage. Here, you should see your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this profile icon will bring up a menu with various options regarding your account. For our next step, let's select the option labeled Profile. This section of the Agoda site is where you can manage all things related to your account, including personal details and payment options. With the profile section open, the next thing you'll want to do is locate and click on Payment Methods. This is the designated area where you can view, update, or add new payment options depending on your needs. Updating your payment method is crucial to ensure that future transactions are completed smoothly, especially for hotels that require upfront payments or deposits. Once you're in the payment methods area, you'll be able to see all currently saved payment details. From here, you can modify existing payment methods or add a new one to replace or supplement the available options. Agoda makes it simple to manage these details, allowing you to input new credit card information or select from diverse payment alternatives depending on availability and your specific preference. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to change your payment method on Agoda. It's always a good idea to periodically review your account settings to ensure that all your details are up to date, making your booking experience as smooth as possible. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to manage your Agoda account with confidence. Safe travels and happy booking!